History content is liked for educating and increasing knowledge, while motivational quotes inspire and motivate people. But if we combine both by presenting motivational quotes from historical figures through inspiring stories and create unique and engaging content that includes both history and motivation, then nothing can stop you from going viral. Well, let's first look at an example of the type of a video I'm talking about.
The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow.
So this was a very simple way to generate a video, but now together we'll create an even more polished and better video. So first we need quotes from famous authors and personalities, which you can easily find on these two websites. So I'll include the links to these websites in the description, or another way is to go to GPT and give this prompt. Write a short script about motivational quotes from a historical personality. So if you have a specific personality in mind, you can mention their name instead of historical personality. So as you can see, it gave us a full script with quotes from Albert Einstein. But if you want a script about another personality, just replace historical personality with the name of the person in the prompt. For example, I write Thomas Edison here. We got an amazing script for him too. And now we need a prompt for its image generations. So I'll give GPT this prompt. I need a text to image generator prompt for each scene of the script showing Thomas Edison as a caricature. I used caricature here because today I'm using this style. This is a type of drawing that highlights a specific feature of a face in a funny way. It's often used in political cartoons, entertainment, and art. So now my script is ready and I've also received the prompt, which will make it easier for me to show my character in a caricature. So now we'll go to our image generating tool. I'm using Ideogram AI today. You can use any image generating tool. I'm using Ideogram AI because I'll show you two types of image generated with it. So to generate images, I'll simply copy my prompt here and paste into the tool. And then I'll apply my preferred filters and select a 9:16 ratio. Now you can see that 4 images have been generated here. All of them are fantastic. And now let me show you the other method I wanted to show you. So here you can see that there is also a quote added to this image and there are no mistakes in the text. This means that we can generate one image in two different ways. For this, you just need to add quotes to the prompt in the GPT, and after that, GPT will add quotes to all your prompts. And while generating images, it's necessary to turn on the typography filter. That's way you can generate images based on whichever idea you like the best. And if you face any issue with the text, you can easily remove it. I have provided a detailed tutorial on this in my previous video, and I'll include the link in the description so you can learn from it. And now that all my images have been generated, I'll download them and move on to the next step, which is the voiceover. So for the voiceover, I'm using 11 Labs. Now I'll choose a voice from here. Since we're talking about motivational quotes, so a deep male voice would be more suitable. So I like this voice.
My father gave me some advice.
So I'll select it and then write my script in the speech box. And now I'll just go to the GPT and copy the narrator's part. I'll paste it into the speech box here. And now that my entire script is ready, I'll simply generate it. So my voiceover is ready now. Let's download it and move on to our final step, which is editing. So first I'll import my voiceover and images into the editing tool. I'll start by importing the voiceover onto the timeline and then adjust the images accordingly. Once the images are in place, I'll add transition between them and set effects. I'm adding an auto enhance effect and animating them with pan and zoom. If you like, you can add subtitles here, but I don't feel the need, so I'll leave it as it is. And now I'll add background music and export it. So my video is ready. Let's watch the final result together.
Welcome to our channel where we bring you inspiration from the greatest minds in history. Today we delve into the wisdom of Thomas Edison, one of the most prolific inventors of all time. Let's explore some of his most motivational quotes. Edison once said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." This reminds us that hard work and dedication are essential to achieving greatness. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Edison believed that every failure was a step closer to success. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. Edison's insight teaches us to recognize opportunities, even when they come disguised as hard work. Be ready to seize them and put in the effort needed. Thomas Edison's wisdom continues to light our way to success. Remember, perseverance, learning from failure, recognizing opportunity, and maintaining optimism can guide you towards your goals.
With these videos, you not only enhance your knowledge but also inspire your viewers. Imagine making someone's day with a simple video, motivating them and helping them learn something new. That's the real fun of YouTube. So start today by turning your ideas into reality, creating unique content to inspire the world. See you in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, keep learning and stay motivated.